Nice hotel. Beautifully located by the desert and with nice staff. Unfortunately that closed the pool already at 6, so we didn't get to use it since we only stayed for one night. Good place to stay. Great hotel to stay with friendly staff at your service and they will help you with every need. Special thanks to security like said Afonda from Zagora. Keep up the good work and see you next time again. Been there 2 times and we'll be back. And great place to stay. Good place to stay in Ouarzazate. Good hotel to stay in Ouarzazate and see the things in the city and surround the city. With a great staff to help with every need and safe place to be in excellent security, will recommend to my family and amigos. This is the place to stay. Good place to see the city and the Kasbah. It is a walking distance to the museum and the Kasbah from the hotel. Good hotel with friendly staff. Stayed in the Kenzi Azghor for a few days in May 2012, enjoyed the facilities, including free Wi-Fi, and its central location in Oz. Staff was very friendly and helpful. Food was good, maybe the breakfast buffet could see some more variation from day to day. The room was good, with enough space and everything like advertised in Agoda. Don't expect a 5-star hotel to European standards, but it's still a good hotel. Best deal in town. The stay was good, the hotel staff helped us to organize our trips around the area. It was always a pleasure to finish the day near to the swimming pool.